Hello everyone, today we're gonna be on our 2004 F150, the 5.4, the Lariat one. We have an issue that the car doesn't want to run, just crank and doesn't start. And I cannot hear my fuel pump. I tried to jump it first, I thought it's a battery, but actually didn't work. So I cannot hear my fuel pump, so I think it's a fuel pump related thing. I checked here where is the fuse box, where is the fuses for the injector and everything seems to be fine. So now we're gonna head to the back of the car or back of the truck and we'll show you what's going on. So we are here at the back of the truck, and if you guys will go under your truck, or is your spare tire, and if you guys can see on behind that spare tire here on that crossbar of the frame, try to show you, you can see that harness and where is the fuel pump module. We're gonna start measure there, do our measurement, see if there is electricity going there and see if the car has an issue there. Let's go. First thing, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the harness there, and you just like press on it and it will come out easy. Then we gonna measure here with our avometer, see if we got any electricity. I have my ignition is on, and let's see here, let's see if we're gonna have any voltage. Okay, here we go, we have the avometer connected, and if you guys can see, we have 12.6. that's mean it has power to it. So that means we have an issue with either our fuel pump or on that module or driver here. So to check what I did is I bypassed that module by connecting these two with a wire and connected these two with a wire, and once I did that, my fuel pump started. I hear the noise from here. So that's what I did, is just I bypass the module by put wire between these two and wire between these two, and once I did that, I heard my fuel pump working. So it's definitely, it's bad at that driver or the module here. So I ordered one online, and to change it we're gonna have to get the spare tire down, and let's do this. So to get the spare tire down, you go here to the rear bumper and try to unlock that, and I couldn't get any lock. I put WD-40 here, I went from inside, I put some WD-40, and still I cannot get it to work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go from behind and we'll show you how we're gonna remove the whole lock. Okay guys, I finally decided that I'm gonna break the whole thing off so I can get my spare tire down, and then we'll buy a new one later. Okay guys, now we got the spare tire down, and that's what is the module we were talking about, and you guys can see how it's rusty, and I think it's broken as well. It seems like it's bent somehow. So you have two nuts here, one here and one on the other side, that we're gonna have to remove so we can remove it, and I hope these nuts are not gonna be hard to remove. I'm gonna go ahead and get some WD-40 and spray on them. I'll leave it for a little bit. Okay, get back. Okay guys, here is our bad module. You can see how it's roasted, like from the rust from inside. Very bad, and it's cracked here. And again, we were able to get that bolt out. This one here broke with the guiding pin. As you guys can see here, these are broken inside. Now we're gonna have to get these out, then put the new one in. We'll be back.
All right, the old module was sitting on the frame, straight on the frame, but the new model came with the option with a spacer. So when you try to take it out next time, it won't happen again. I sprayed here some anti-rust, hopefully that will work, but as you know, all trucks get rusted, but it's just the outside, it's not actually eating the frame, so it's not like dangerous rust. But setting the module away from the frame, it will help not to rust again, or at least the bolts. That's it. And that was the 2004, the new style fuel modulator replacement.